Electric is the soul that I keep of an angel who breathes in the deep. It's not easy being me.